This is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. Today is Saturday. I think it's the 27th of February. And I'm starting a new diamond painting. I have all my activities laid out. See how much I can get done. This is the new one. Isn't that pretty? These I think I'm going to keep because I like them, okay? And right now, because they're not expensive, I don't know, I have to put the price in the description below, but I'm pretty sure everything is under $10, under $5. I want to say they're like $3.99, but don't quote me on it. I'll try to find the link and put it below. So I'll be working on this for March, and that'll be quick because, yeah, this will be really quick. So I will have to purchase another one for my donations at the end of the year. And I have the stubs. Oh, look at this big one. I have all those here, and this here. I'm getting quite a collection of these things, which is fine. So I'll keep this one out, and I'll put this one in my my little supply until it just gets overwhelming. I have to get a bigger one. So this is one project I want to work on. And this was off of Amazon. And the next one other thing about that is I just finished up the other one, and I have so many stuff, so many of, what do you call them, beads, studs, I don't know. And I still have some from the other one, which I just went to look to see where did I put it, and I can't remember. Isn't that something? I'm good at storing stuff away and then forgetting where I put it. Did I put it in the cabinet? I don't know. So I was trying to put them in here, but it looked like I'm going to need a bigger jar for that. And put my new studs in here. So that's what's going on over there. So I got to get a bigger little plastic tub or something. I'm sure I have one because I really don't like plastic. Then I put my, because we're always buying something, so I put my little, cut the top off and put my pattern and the fabric in here. So I may work on one of those. The thing is I never went to buy the yarn. That's why one thing I also have not went and had some stuff that I want to get for someone else, because I'm really on a, right now I'm on a tight budget for being off December. And then I was off a little bit in January. So I think I told you my job, the little job that I had the person had expired, and so I had to wait for a new assignment. Well, I didn't have to wait. I was being more selective, put it like that. So one thing, I don't have any yarn. Let me get back to what I'm saying. So maybe on the blue here, I might can get away with the, maybe with the green. This gets stuck in my sewing machine so bad. I can try this one and see, but it just really get caught up in the sewing machine. And then the black is too dark because I used it for something else. But anyway, I'll figure that out. And I also have over here, oh, and I do have the black. See, the black is really, I'm sorry, really dark. And then I have some of this one. I had a bird that used to chew on. That's how old this is. But I still have it. And this is the only type of thread my machine will use. It will not use any other kind. Even I think this is why I have this one, because it got caught up. So I have my Saturday activities. Then I'm thinking to work on my kit machine today. I have some more scrap yarn that I need. This is some yarn that I purchased from a mystery from She Spin, and see if I can work that up. I'm thinking putting some of this with it to give it a little bit more shine, or this one. or maybe both, who knows. And this one, this nice orange here, I still have many balls. I don't know why I never, you know, it took the dabbling hook to see her that one time making the beautiful hats. It's like, why am I spending so much time on donations doing it by hand? One, because it's good, it's a good accomplishment, but I can do the ones on hand for people, for my family. You know, I think that would probably be more, you know, make more sense. And then some of them, I don't know, I won't be selfish, but and just say, no, y'all, the people I don't know is getting the handmade one. Just depend on how I feel, I guess. So that is my day. That'll be my day for today. I don't know. What are you guys doing? Put it in the comments below. And I will see you in March. Take care of yourself. Be safe. And, you know, keep your head up. Keep your head up. That's all. Stay safe and stay sane. Okay? Bye-bye.